New $40 million helping hand for the private sector in the CARIFORUM region. It's all part of the European Union Development Fund Regional Private Sector Development Program, which is aimed at positioning countries to take full advantage of the Economic Partnership Agreement, the EPA, with Europe. The program, which is managed by Caribbean Export, was launched today in Bridgetown. And according to the chair of the board of directors at Caribbean Export, Ambassador Rosalind Hazel, it's an initiative that allows entrepreneurs to reap success. The CMC's Leroy Adolphus now reports.
Close to 200 small and medium-sized businesses reap the benefits from the €2.6 billion package provided under the 9th round of the European Development Fund last year. And the door is now open for even more entrepreneurs to take advantage of this helping hand being provided under the 10th European Development Fund, the EDF. The program, which spans over a 5-year period, is managed by the Barbados-based Caribbean Export Agency. Rosalind Hazel, chairperson of the board of directors of the agency, says the initiative allows CARIFORUM countries to adjust to the realities of the global economy and become more competitive.
Sometimes we talk about competitiveness and innovation, and we think about it in terms of successful companies and the whole idea of the development of the private sector. And that's great, but I think that the overall objective of all of that must be that these activities are providing opportunity for an improved quality of life of all of the people of the region. The socioeconomic component of the region must stand. It has to be the fundamental bedrock of everything.
This time around, there is an added feature to the initiative. The 10th EDF seeks to promote trade and export development among CARIFORUM member states.
There is a definite need for small businesses to get on board and to collaborate with each other in a much more substantive fashion. I believe if these small companies approach Caribbean Export, a wide range of assistance can be accessed, from market intelligence to advice to actual funding that is a grant that the company can use.
Head of the European Union delegation to Barbados and the Eastern Caribbean, Verena Diaz, believes the EDF has delivered significant benefits to the region. He says during the last decade, the EU has provided over €41 million to support private sector development.
Main objective of Caribbean Export is to assist the Caribbean companies to grab the opportunity of the Economic Partnership Agreement. Okay? The EPA is opening a huge opportunity for all the companies, but they need to be assisted. How can they make the most out of that opportunity? And that is not only about innovation and export capacity, etc. It's also about how to attract the foreign investment. Very important for the growth, as it is the export business itself. I mean, we're talking about job creation that can only come from growth. How do you grow?
Today's launching of the EDF coincides with the development aspect of the Economic Partnership Agreement as promised by the European Union. From the Sherborne Conference Center in Bridgetown, I'm Leroy Adolphus, CMC News.